Let's analyze together Bed Bath & Beyond.
Let's go. Very dramatic downturn of more than 95% after we experienced that upturn of more than 400%. Very dramatic situation. We have the earnings very soon. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe. Let's analyze this together.
So the situation is very difficult for this particular stock. We have minus 95 in the last month. This has been insane. And the situation, with a high level of debt with this particular one, incredible losses. And they have rumors of a near bankruptcy. It seems it's gonna happen. Like they're trying to avoid it right now. But looking at the numbers, looking at the charts, it doesn't seem that they're gonna recover from the losses.
Yeah, exactly. Technical analysis, in my opinion, is completely bad. Take a look at these last red candles to the downside. They don't seem like there is no signal of recovery. You never know, in trading, anything could happen. But let's take a look in the 1 hour chart to see with more detail. First of all, let's go to the past when all of this started. We had this kind of movement to the upside of more than 400%. And that's why we mentioned the importance of breakouts for technical analysis beginners or even professionals. Because when you have this breakout right here, the first one, take a look, boom, it went completely to the downside again to $2. And with the second movement, we have the same scenario. We had this upturn right here, then we had the breakout, and boom, from there, minus 80% more or less, I don't know, until the actual levels, the current levels. And right now we have a very similar situation, but on the opposite side, until we see a breakout happening to the upside with significant potential or bullish strength, I won't be buying right here. This is my personal opinion, but what do you think?
Yeah, we analyze a lot of penny stocks every week, and when the most dangerous situation with this particular ones is when you see, like, when you hear rumors of bankruptcy, because if you get trapped, you cannot exit your positions, you cannot do anything. You have your capital locked in, and maybe you lose everything in the end. So very risky situation with this one. I wouldn't buy in this particular stock. Either sell, buy. I wouldn't do anything, because if it gets listed, you won't be able to close your positions out. So it's not worth it. There are better alternatives at the moment.
Yeah, exactly. Even if we see that breakout that I mentioned to the upside, it could be a false one, as we saw many times in the past, because when you are in an uptrend, when you see that breakout to the upside, it's like the continuance is more probable. But when you're in a very big downtrend, many times the upside breakouts tend to be false ones. And in this case, as you mentioned, this could be delisted or it could go to bankruptcy. So in that case, even if you buy and you get like 5-10% to the upside or even 20, if at the end of the month it gets delisted, you could lose everything right there. So be very careful with this asset. Be cautious, because with this kind of situations, it's like you're risking all your capital. That's the thing, It's not like I could lose 10-20%. No, you could lose everything. So make sure you know that.
Exactly, that's the truth. We analyzed a lot of penny stocks last year that were delisted, and in the end, all the investors lost everything, So it's not worth it, guys. But this is our opinion, of course. You can do whatever you want to do. Have a trading strategy, have a great plan, and execute it like always do.
Yeah, exactly. Like Trading HD, we like to trade as humans. So welcome, subscribe below. Let us know in the comments your thoughts or you have any different ideas, and welcome.
Bye bye.